Get ready to discover where things are. Let's learn prepositions of place with clear examples. Where is the owl?
The owl is in the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is on the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is over the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is under the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is next to the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is behind the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is in front of the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is far from the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is near the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is around the box.
Where is the owl?
The owl is between the two boxes.
Thank you for watching.